In case of organic farming, the weed control is highly cumbersome process since weeds are very difficult to control without usage of herbicides. Since in organic farming we are not going to use herbicides, the other options are like crop rotation or like using allelopathic chemicals or like using some biocontrol agents that feed on the weed plants or using some plants which repel the other plants like ladybird beetles, or you can use biological organisms to control the weeds or destruction of weed seeds or reduction of weed seed bank. Among different organic methods to control weeds in organic farming, one of the best method is soil solarization. In soil solarization, what you're going to do, it's simply a method of using sun's heat to control soil-borne pests, diseases, and weed seeds. It's an effective, economical, and environmentally friendly way to improve soil health. What you're going to do in case of soil solarization, you're going to trap the solar energy. How you're going to trap the solar energy? You're going to moist the field with irrigation by using water. After that, you're going to cover it with a transparent plastic sheet. Whenever the solar energy enters into the soil through the sheet, it enters into the form of short wave radiation. And due to the irrigation, all the air gaps will be removed and the water heat energy will be penetrated into the deeper soil layers. After penetration, it will be again re-radiated from the earth surface, but it will be converted in the form of long wave radiation and it will be trapped inside the soil as it is protected or covered with the because of the polythene plastic sheet. It will cannot go escape from the sheet, and this trapped heat energy will develop temperature, more temperature, that is enabling to kill the pest-borne or soil-borne organisms and weed seeds. It is going to desiccate the weed seeds. Once the weed seeds desiccated because of lack of moisture, they are going to be dead. In such a process, the weed seed bank will be reduced and you are able to control the weeds in organic farming or by natural means. This is called as soil solarization. What are the benefits? You're going to reduce the weed seeds, soil-borne diseases. It improves soil health. As you are not using any chemical in this, it's a natural process. Soil health will not be impaired. You are not using any chemical. So reduction of chemical usage ultimately reduces the economic loss. It is environmentally safe and friendly, cost effective. It is done mostly during summer months, mostly in the May month. Why? Because you need solar energy, you need more temperature, so that after attachment of plastic sheet on the soil, more temperature has to be developed. It cannot be done in winter season or in rainy season. It has to be done in summer season. So these are the different steps. Simply prepare the soil. How do you prepare? You are going to irrigate the soil with good enough of moisture, cover it with plastic sheet with 25 to 50 microns thick plastic sheet, seal the edges tightly with the soil. You should ensure that the edges should be tightly sealed and the solar energy will be trapped. The sun's heat passes through the plastic and it gets trapped inside the soil, which increases temperature. So because of increase in temperature, the soil-borne organisms, weed seeds will be died. And afterwards, you are going to remove this plastic. After 4 to 6 weeks, you are going to remove the plastic and you are going to go for preparation of soil for planting. This is in brief about soil solarization.